Want to know how to enable envelope tool in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step on how to do so. So let's get right into it. So first up, open Audacity and import any audio that you like. Now once you're there, you can see in the toolbar right here are various tools, but we are looking for the envelope tool. So for that, right beside the selection tool, we can see envelope tool right here with 2 dots and a line. Right, just simply click on it and you can see the difference in the waveform, and that's how you simply enable envelope tool. Do some cool stuffs like this from the envelope tool. This is used for various purposes such as fixing, clipping manually and stuff. So that's it. You can also use F2 to bring out the envelope tool again, and press F2 and here you go. And you can go back by either going on the toolbar back and selecting any of the tools, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.